তোমাদের উপর শান্তি বর্ষিত হোক। Hope all of you are well. By the grace of Almighty, I am also fine. Okay. Today I am going to take a class on English first paper of class 10. Unit 1 to Unit 10 are taught in class 9 and rest of the units are taught in class 10. So we are going to Unit 11, Lesson 1. Our today's lesson, renewable energy. Renewable energy. Take your book and open at page 139. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Open at page 139.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We see some pictures of bulbs. Okay. We see some pictures of bulbs.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the names of the bulbs?
The headlight, gas light, hurricane, electric bulb, tube light, stage light, candle, table light,
Searchlight,
energy server, energy saver bulb,
oil lamp.
etc.
Okay. Fine, very fine. Now go to the next page. Now read the text. I am also going through the text with you. আমিও তোমাদের সাথে সাথে প্যাসেজটা পড়তেছি। Clear?
Yes, sir.
Swan lives in a village in the southwest part of Bangladesh. Last night he could not sleep. His sister had her SSC exam next morning. He could not read either. There was load shedding. It is a very common word to us, load shedding.
Yes, sir.
The summer night being muggy and hot. Muggy, unpleasantly warm and humid. Synonymous word foggy, F-O-G-G-Y. Clear? Light became hell without electricity. Most of the area remained dark for hours due to power shortage. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have learned from this part, Sohan, who lives in a village in the southwest part of Bangladesh, could not sleep, and his sister, an SSC examinee, could not read either because of having load shedding.
Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পারছো সবাই যে সোহান
জি, স্যার।
বাংলাদেশের সাউথ ওয়েস্ট পার্টে থাকে, সে ঘুমাতে পারেনি, তার ভাই সরি বোন একজন যে একজন এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থী, সেও পড়াশোনা করতে পারেনি। কি কারণে? লোড শেডিং
এর কারণে।
Okay, fine. The summer night being muggy and hot, life became hell without electricity. Most of their area remained dark for hours due to power shortage. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In May, June, temperature shoots up. Shoots up refers to rise up, মানে বেড়ে যাওয়া। Clear? Right? Shoots up to 40 degrees Celsius with almost 90% of humidity in the atmosphere. Okay. Humidity meaning amount of moisture in the air. Synonymous word moisture, dampness. Write down. Okay. I repeat, with almost 90% of humidity in the atmosphere, it becomes all wet, damp, and sticky. When you are busy fanning yourself all the time, how can you concentrate on studies? Concentrate. কনসেন্ট্রেটেড বাংলা হচ্ছে মনোনিবেশ করা। মনোনিবেশ করা। ওকে। Synonymous word being ponder, PONDER. Meaning to focus one's attention on a particular object. Synonymous word think, ponder. শোনো, মিনিং গুলা এবং সিনোনিমাস ওয়ার্ড খাতায় লিখে নাও।
Yes, sir.
Okay. I
Sir,
repeat.
humidity মানে কি স্যার?
Okay.
Humidity স্যার।
আর্দ্রতা, এই হিউমিডিটি, আর্দ্রতা, আর্দ্রতা,
আর্দ্রতা।
আর্দ্রতা। Okay. When you are busy fanning yourself all the time, how can you concentrate on studies? If one is busy fanning oneself, it is impossible for him to concentrate on studies. Next, in the night, it is impossible to sit down to study with a candle light or table lamp or hurricane lamp or a rural kerosene lamp. People simply come out of houses almost bare-bodied and sit in the open places. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In summer night, we always come out or go out bare-bodied. Bare-bodied refers to wearing no shirt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
People come out of houses without wearing no shirt. Clear? And sit in
Yes,
a
sir.
open place. Now question, why? To enjoy the fresh air. Clear? Some splash, S-P-L-A-S-S. Splash, meaning to splatter liquid on something in irregular drops. Synonym, plump. Splash মানে হচ্ছে ছিটানো। আমরা অনেক সময় কি পানি ছিটাই না, ছিটাই গরম লাগলে। আমার কথা কি শুনতে পাও?
স্যার
আমরা নাক মুখে পানি ছিটাই, এই ছিটানোর ইংরেজিটাই হচ্ছে স্প্লাশ।
Yes, sir.
I repeat, some splash cold water on their faces. Hands remain unmoving. Electric bulbs are off and it is dark everywhere. It is simply unbearable. We know when current is off, it is unbearable to me because bulb is off, fans remain unmoving. Next part. What is the reason of frequent load shedding? Press reports say there is a shortage in electricity production. Frequent. Frequent এর বাংলা হচ্ছে নিয়মিত বা বারবার। Adjective. Frequent, occurring or done in many occasions. Synonymous word, recurrent. Okay. Press reports say there is a shortage of electricity production. According to the power development authorities, the demand for electricity a few years ago was more than 6,000 MW. MW refers to megawatt. Megawatt.
What?
What is megawatt? You know. Rabbi,
Yes, sir.
what is megawatt?
Sir, MW এর full meaning.
Sir,
Sir,
MW.
the full meaning of MW.
Unit of a power or unit of power. Unit of power.
Power.
Yes. 6,000 megawatt a day.
Yes, sir.
While the supply remained around 4,200 megawatt. In the rural areas, the Rural Electrification Board could supply barely. সামান্য barely বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে সামান্য। Synonymous word, scarcely, hardly, Clear?
Yes, sir.
Barely half of the total demand, which was around 2,400 megawatt per day. Demand 6,000, but production 4,200. Deficit 1,800. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In the capital city, the demand stood at around 1,400 megawatt, while the supply amounted to 650 megawatt.
Yes.
As a result, load shedding is unavoidable for the time being. But situation is improving very fast.
Yes, sir.
But this condition is no more today. এখন আর এই অবস্থাটা বাংলাদেশে নেই. We are producing
Yes, sir.
now more than 13,000 megawatt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Have you any
Yes,
question?
sir.
Have you any question?
No, sir.
No. Okay, home task.
Yes, sir. How? Corona.
Yes. You have to write 5 questions and you have to answer 5 questions,
Yes, sir.
which is given in the text, after the text. Clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Home task.
Clear? Okay.
স্যার দেখা যায় না।
তোমাদের বইতে যে 5টা কোশ্চেন আছে টেক্সটের পরে এই কোশ্চেন 5টা তোমরা উত্তর করবে ভাষায়। ক্লিয়ার?
জি স্যার।
ওকে।
ওকে, টাটা, বাই বাই, সি ইউ।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওর ট্যাং ব্যথা করে।